when it comes to the safety of your home and the people you love, there are no second chances. 5. I want to talk about something that's an absolute game changer for home security: the Kidde Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. This isn't just another alarm. It's a complete peace of mind system designed for our modern, connected lives. Imagine you're at work, on vacation, or just running errands. What happens if an alarm goes off at home? With traditional alarms, you might never know until it's too late. Oh wait, Kidde Smart Alarm changes everything. The second it detects smoke or carbon monoxide, it sends an instant notification straight to your smartphone. You'll know immediately what the danger is and where it is in your house. You can even silence nuisance alarms, like a bit of kitchen smoke, right from your phone. No more frantically waving a dish towel at a shrieking alarm on the ceiling. This fast alert system means you're always connected and in control, no matter where you are. It's the ultimate reassurance that your home is protected around the clock. Now, let's talk about how seamlessly this fits into your smart home. We all love convenience, right? This alarm integrates perfectly with Google Home and Amazon Alexa. What does that mean for you? You can use simple voice commands to check the status of your alarms. Just ask, "Hey Google, is there smoke in the living room?" Or Alexa, "Are my kid alarms okay?" It also works with the Ring app, bringing all your home safety notifications into one convenient place. This level of integration makes managing your home safety as easy as asking a question. But here's the feature that I think is truly brilliant and sets Kidde apart: backward compatibility. Upgrading your entire home to smart alarms can be expensive and a huge hassle. Kidde solved this. If you already have existing hardwired Kidde alarms that aren't smart, you don't need to replace all of them. You can install just one new Kidde Smart alarm, and it will interconnect with your older units. When one goes off, they all go off. But now, that one smart unit will act as a bridge, sending alerts for the entire system to your phone. This is an incredibly cost-effective and simple way to upgrade your home's safety without a complete overhaul. It's a genius solution that saves you time and money. So, let's wrap this up. With the Kidde Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm, you get lightning-fast mobile alerts, seamless integration with your smart home assistants, and a unique backward compatibility feature that makes upgrading a breeze. Don't wait for an emergency to think about home safety. Protect what matters most. Upgrade to Kidde and give yourself and your family the peace of mind you all deserve. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.